This is Cyndy G. In this video, we are going to assemble the Cabana milk carton. So I have already put the decoration pieces on 2 panels, but let's go ahead now and just put our milk carton together. Just this one seam. Okay. And now let's continue decorating the panels. I'll show you how this goes. Now these little flag pieces that I have here, I folded mine in half and glued it together. So it does sandwich, so if you wanted to run a string and hang them on each piece, you could. I'm just gluing mine to the framing just to keep it a little bit simple. So I did leave these as diamonds. They're shaped as diamonds with a score line in the center. And you can either do what I'm doing here, or again, you can use some twine to hang them from. I think that'd be really cute. And then you just want to put a window. The square windows go on these 3 panels. Okay. A fine tip glue bottle will come in handy for putting glue around the edge of that. Okay, just like that. These little round windows are going to go into this triangle shape, and this is the front and this is the back of your cabana. Okay, and then this rectangle and this one with a hole in it are your door. So I am going to line this up. Right at the bottom. And then just put it right in the center. You have a little anchor for your decoration on your door. There we are. And now the roof piece. So if you want, you can just curl these up a little bit right on the edge. I'm just going to do just a little bit. I'm not going to glue those down. And put the biggest one down first, and then your next size. Just line that up to the top of the piece above it. And then okay, just like that. Now let's do the last roof piece. Okay. And again, I'm not gluing down the very edge because I want it to have a little bit of movement. I don't want it to be so flat. Okay, and now we're just going to close this up. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Now this box goes together by sliding over the bottom. So you can close this up. You can glue this shut. If you want it to still be able to open, this one would be really cute with a small little clothespin at the top. But you can close it because we have a bottom piece here. Just make sure this gets stuck down good. There's the front. Okay, and now let's put together the other box. Now you can size this a little bit bigger if you would like. This is, it's a 2x2 box, and it is, I think it's 2 inches tall, 2.5 inches tall. So you can make it bigger, but this makes it cute for a small treat box. Just like that. Make sure it's good and stuck. And then we're going to glue shut. And then just close it up. I'm going to grab, here I got my colored pencil. I'm just going to make sure that that is stuck down. And then there it is. It's a cute little banana box. Thank you for joining me.